Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to experiment with sodium metal.
Sodium is a highly reactive metal and reacts vigorously with the oxygen, carbon dioxide and moisture present in the air such that it may even cause a fire. To prevent this explosive reaction, sodium is kept immersed in kerosene because sodium does not react with kerosene. Most metals are hard, but sodium metal is really soft, and you can squash it just with your fingers. It can be cut easily with a knife. Let's do experiment. Sodium metal react with water. Oh my God! Sodium metal react with water to form a colorless solution of sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Please don't try.